Pakistan, being a victim of man-made disasters and natural calamities during the past 2 decades, has been striving hard to overcome these difficult times and made significant achievements in combating crisis situations, thus made the country resilient to these situations with the help of friendly countries and donors. Among these donors, Charity Australia International, a vibrant and active welfare forum of concerned Pakistanis living and working in Australia, has been significantly involved in helping their Pakistani brothers and sisters in times of misery and trouble. Large-scale contributions of Charity Australia International were started back in 2005 when severe earthquake hit the northern parts of Pakistan, killing over 73,000 people, injuring more than 1 million. Charity Australia stepped forward and helped their suffering brothers in 5 most affected districts with food supplies, medicine, blankets, temporary shelters, etc. Charity Australia funded and built the state-of-the-art laboratory facility in Mansehra that is helping and serving hundreds of thousands of people by providing high-quality diagnostic services at a very low price. When death and suffering gripped the innocent infants and women in Thar area of Sindh, it was once again Charity Australia that took a leading role in search of permanently mitigating the crisis by establishing mega hospital complex in Mithi Tehsil of Thar district. This most neglected, remote and backward area is now recovering from famine, dearth and starvation. Suffering with polluted drinking water, malnutrition and worst condition of mother and child health, Thar is rising out of its own ashes with the help of Charity Australia.
Charity Australia has done wonderful things with Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan for the development of Pakistan.
Once again, Charity Australia made Al Khidmat Foundation their partner, who purchased 14 acres piece of land and constructing Al Khidmat Charity Hospital Complex, where Mother and Child Healthcare Center is about to start its operations, while construction and installation of solar-operated reverse osmosis water treatment plants in large number has drastically reduced the suffering of masses. Besides humans, these plants also helping cattle and animals. City of Shrines, Multan, one of the hottest and ancient cities of the world, has the history of 6,000 years, is also the economic and political hub of this region, has to cater all kind of economic, social and political needs of the region, becomes the center point of over 5 million inhabitants of the area. Southern Punjab is yet another neglected, deprived area where Charity Australia took initiative of establishing a 200-bed hospital that would be the landmark health institution in the private sector. With the overall cost of 200 million rupees, Multan Health Hospital would be needing 100 million for initial preparations.
ये अस्पताल खल्क़ खुदा के लिए बहुत मुफीद होगा, बिलखुसूस चैरिटी इंटरनेशनल ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लोगों ने प्रोजेक्ट के साथ जो ताउन पेश किया है, बहुत बड़ी तादाद के अंदर खल्क़ खुदा मुस्तफ़ीद होगी.
In order to bridge the gap of health facilities and reduce the suffering of poor localities, there was a dire need of opening new charitable hospitals to meet the soaring health problems.
Due to these low socioeconomic circumstances, many diseases are prevalent in this area.
Al Khidmat Charity Australia Hospital Complex took initiative and acquired 4 acres piece of land and spent 40 million rupees for documentation, transfer and purchase of this precious piece of land, ideal for building medical facility as being situated on the rim of highway connecting Balochistan, Muzaffargarh and other surrounding areas that could benefit people coming from remote areas who are the main victim of deteriorated government health system. Charity Australia encouraged the Al Khidmat Foundation to carry out this project as part of their public service initiative for needy and deserving people in poor localities of Pakistan.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाह। मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया के बहनों और भाइयों का शुक्रगुजार हूँ और उन्हें मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ कि आपने पाकिस्तान में अपने ज़रूरतमंद भाइयों के लिए जो इमदादी सरगर्मियों में हिस्सा लिया वो काबिल कद्र भी है और इंशाअल्लाह आपके लिए तोशे आखिरत भी है। बिलखुसूस चैरिटी ऑस्ट्रेलिया मेडिकल कम्प्लेक्स मुल्तान, इसकी तामीरात का आगाज हो चुका है।
Since the Al Khidmat Charity Australia Hospital project is designed to provide free of cost of highly subsidized medical facilities through their emergency, inpatients, OPD, dental, surgery and pharmacy departments, 50% finances would be generated locally, while rest would be depending upon donations, as this is the biggest hospital by any charity in the region.
Those brothers who are working in Australia, in fact, they are doing a big favor to their own nation, Pakistan.
Pakistanis living abroad are to be saluted for their generous efforts of helping their suffering brothers and sisters in Pakistan. And such projects would definitely bring ease to the lives of millions of people, besides saving lives of thousands.